Susan. Today I'm doing another Instant Pot recipe, and it's called pizza meatloaf, and it's really good if you are in a hurry and don't have a lot of time. So if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. This is a potted pot recipe, and first of all I'm going to spray my pan. You can find these on Amazon, and it comes like this, a double pan, and you can cook two things in one time. But this meatloaf will need to be fixed in a pan. Okay, I've got a pound of ground beef, and to that I'm going to add half a cup of breadcrumbs, and I'm using the Italian style since this is a pizza meatloaf. 1 chopped onion, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, or ginger like it, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. To this, I'm going to add 1 egg. Just mix it up real good, and the best way to do that is with your hands. Your clean hands. Kind of make it into a loaf. Mixed up just a little bit better. My meat was very cold, and you just want to put that down in there and push it to where it's about an inch thick. To this, I want to add about a cup of pizza sauce. Let's do 2 of these. And I'm just using marinara because that's usually what I put on my pizzas. Just spread it out. This with about a cup of mozzarella cheese. That's been grated. And then top it with your pepperoni. I'm just going to put this on this little rack, and you'll want to put a cup of water in your pot. But you'll have to have something to bring it up to pressure. Oh yeah, I forgot to put my lid on it. Gonna drop this into my pot, put my lid on, and hit your manual button turn it down. I have mine pulled down to 15 minutes. Make sure it's on sealing, and she'll come up to pressure and then cook. Okay, it just beat, so now I'm going to do a quick release. Let me pull it out from the camera. Alright, didn't take long. What we have. Yum. Get a good look at this. Oh, that looked good. I'm gonna scoop it to a plate so it won't be sitting in that grease. Good. Smells good. This turned out so good. We really enjoyed it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll subscribe, hit that bell, and come see me again. Until next time, bye.